Hey, welcome to Sid's Tips. Thanks for joining me. So, I am loving this Google Nest doorbell. I am speaking to you obviously in the doorbell, so I wanted you to hear and see me. It is almost 5 p.m. Eastern Time, so I'll give you an idea. Now, one of the things, though, to keep in mind, depending upon where your door is, you have lighting issues and then some darkness around the camera. But at least you'll have an idea as you come up and you can pause the video. So this is what I sound like when I am speaking in front of the doorbell, which I wanted you to hear. And again, as I shared with my other video, and I like the fact that it does pick you up from a distance versus other cameras that I've tried, which don't pick up the person until you get to the camera. The other thing that I like is when I press the doorbell, I have my Google Mini Home, and it notifies me there too.
Someone's at the front door doorbell.
So, which is very cool that works in conjunction with the whole Google Home system. So, check it out today. Put a link in the description as well as in the comment section. And I think Google and Nest has created a great product that's working well, and the battery works very well as well.